Okay, my phone just broke, I think. Okay, my phone's freaking out now. Are you serious? Did you just brick on me? I was playing word cookies, and all of a sudden it just froze, and then my phone crashed. Okay, this isn't good. Is the light turning on? Okay, I think my phone just hardcore bricked me. Okay, now it's stuck. It's stuck on the screen. Oh no. Do not tell me you just bricked my phone, game. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? No. No, it did not. Okay, good piece of advice. Don't get word cookies because it will brick your phone. It crashed on me once today, and now it just crashed again, and now my phone is bricked. What the hell? Stupid frickin'... Try and hold the power button for a few seconds. Okay, let's see if that does anything. I think it just hardcore bricked my phone and I can't get it out. What is up with my... Oh. Yes, it worked. Oh, thank God. I thought my phone was bricked. Oh my God. It just saved my life. Thank you. Oh my God. That was scary. I thought my phone was bricked. Oh, thank goodness. Alright, I am uninstalling word cookies right now because that just bricked my phone and I thought it was going to die, but thank God I know what I'm doing. So, uninstalling word cookies, never getting it again. So, peace.